Looks like they're tucked down and ready to go.
Okay, Hamlins, give me a pull back.
Good luck.
Alrighty, that's good. Drivers, y'all ready? Ready in lane 1. Ready in lane 2. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Good luck.
Ramps are down and they're off. Good luck, race it.
It's a lot different from anything you've ever driven before. It's quiet, but the only thing you can hear is the wheels going.
It's thrilling. It gives you a new kind of excitement type thing. It's not like anything else. You can't get it anywhere.
Good luck. On 3, y'all. Good luck, drivers.
I just like it. I've just always liked speed and going fast, and like cars. And this is just a little mix of both, except you get to put in a little your own ingenuity in it.
My dad and we worked real hard on this car this year. We work on it every night. It's our pride and joy.
We do it together. It's a family thing. My father won in 1939 the Atlanta race, and he had 4 sons, and we all won, and 3 placed at the All-American.
It's like, got to stay close to the line, got to stay close to the line. You know, and sometimes I sneak a peek at the other person, which you're really not supposed to do.
She has won and gone to the All-American and raced in the junior division. So we have 3 generations of winners.
You think, I got to win this, I got to win this. You have no doubt, or you'll lose.